Are you ready to transform your meals and the planet? Dive into the world of cruelty-free, eco-friendly cooking with us. Our chef's journey began with a simple belief: food should be kind to animals, our bodies, and the earth. Imagine whipping up a delicious feast that's not just tasty, but also guilt-free and planet-friendly. From vibrant organic veggies to luscious dairy-free desserts, every recipe is a love letter to nature. With every dish, our chef shows that vegan cooking isn't just a diet, it's a lifestyle. One that's packed with creativity, flavor, and a whole lot of heart. Think you can't live without cheese? Wait till you try our creamy cashew cheese sauce. Craving something sweet? Our rich, chocolatey avocado mousse will blow your mind. But it's not just about the food. It's about making choices that matter. Choosing organic means supporting farmers who care for the soil and our health. Going cruelty-free means standing up for animals and saying no to factory farming. And embracing eco-friendly practices means protecting our beautiful planet for future generations. So, are you ready to join us on this delicious journey? Let's cook, eat, and live in a way that's good for our bodies, kind to animals, and gentle on the earth. Follow us for more inspiring recipes and tips from our passionate vegan chef. Together, we can make a difference, one bite at a time. Discover the joy of cooking with compassion, because every meal is an opportunity to do better. And with our vegan chef, better never tasted so good.